starting. Ready? There you go.
Okay, so what, do I pick a module?
Just describe what you're seeing, work through it, and you can pick a model. It's up to you.
Okay, there's a box with kind of 6 sections in. One of the sections has 6 wires. Can you go to the wires one?
Okay. Where is it? Oh, here. So has it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Yeah.
6 wires, the top one's black, then red, then blue, then yellow, then red, then white.
Okay, hang on, we don't have.
Sequences.
Oh,
Right, okay. So, are you going from left to right, or how are the wires configured, if you like?
So the top one's black, and they're horizontal downwards. So the top black one slopes slightly down, and then they're all kind of horizontal.
okay. Are there any?
There's 6 wires,
Oh,
yeah?
6 wires.
Mm-hmm.
Are there any yellow wires?
Yep,
Okay.
the third from bottom is yellow.
So let's go to the other ones where. Otherwise, if there's exactly one yellow wire, there's Is there more than one? Is there just one yellow wire?
Just one yellow. There are
Okay.
2 red ones.
Is there more than one white one?
Nope, there's one of everything apart from red that's got 2.
Otherwise, if there are no red wires, otherwise,
Well, there's-
I think it's the fourth wire.
So, and there are no red wires?
Hmm?
There are no red wires?
There are 2 red ones.
So then it goes to that one, does it?
So there's no more than one white wire?
Only one white one.
And then there's red ones. So cut the fourth wire. Yeah. Cut the fourth wire.
4 from top.
And wiring ordering begins with the first on the top, so carry on down.
Mm-hmm.
Right, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I did it.
Yeah?
Yep, it went green. I think
Okay.
that's good.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay, there's a module with 4 tiles in, with symbols on.
Is that what Simon says?
Yeah. Does it look like a diamond, kind of?
Nope, 4 square tiles, I guess,
Okay.
making a square a diamond.
Yeah, cool. Okay.
There's a question mark on one of the tiles.
One of the 4 colours. It's all flash.
So is anything... And is it coloured, those squares? Are
Nope,
they coloured?
they're kind of a creamy white colour.
Okay.
Anything in them?
Yes, they're 4 tiles with symbols on the top.
Right. What's those colours?
The only symbol I
Yeah.
recognise is the
right,
question
right,
mark.
right.
Yeah.
Okay, so only one column there has more than 4 ones. One column has
And one column has all 4 symbols from the keypad, yeah?
yeah.
It's a keypad.
Press
I
the
don't
four
want that.
buttons.
Press the 4 buttons, then you order their symbols appear.
Guys, we're down to 50 seconds.
Okay.
Um,
Okay. Right. What are the symbols that you can see?
Okay, there's a question mark.
okay.
Okay.
There's like an X with a line vertically through it.
Yeah.
There's a kind of backwards D, lowercase d.
Yeah.
Or, okay, it looks like a B.
Yeah.
With the lines through the top of it,
Yeah.
horizontally. And there's one that is really weird.
Is it
Okay.
like a?
So press... It's a really weird one, like a P. Backwards P.
Or is it like an E and a triangle?
E, a triangle and a line.
Yeah, that's the one. So you've got the question mark.
Yep.
You've got the.
We've got 10 seconds. Which one should I
Right, so
press?
go the B with the line across the top, like a B and a T together.
Alright, okay.
and then like the
Okay, I blew up.
E one.
Oh, shit.
She did.
I died.
That was hard.